Okay, so these are the cut from the cloth frayed hem high-rise short, and let's see, the shirt must be the current air puff sleeve knit top. Taupe. I wouldn't necessarily call it taupe. It's sort of cute. It's not necessarily the most comfy fabric. It's also has a bit of an issue here. I don't know how well you can see this, but even if I was in love with it, I wouldn't be able to keep it. It would have to be exchanged because it's got some pretty significant damage here. Kicks right here. It does have a nice little detail. Hopefully you can see that back here, little buttons. So that's cute. Look at the shorts. They are higher waisted short. So I have these exact shorts in a more distressed finish. I think they have around the pocket a little bit of distressing, like a tear or something. I really like them, so I believe I'm going to keep these. They actually got the sizing right this time. I received a couple pair of denim shorts in my last box that were Dear John, and I was very disappointed because I liked them a lot, the style. And I would have kept them if they had fit, but unfortunately she sent me shorts that were, I think, 3 sizes too large, which seemed really strange because I had kept shorts from that brand before in a couple boxes previous, and they were the same brand, they were Dear John, and they were the sizes that I indicated in my profile. So I'm not sure why they were sent so large, but yes, I really like these, and I mean, who can't use an extra pair of black shorts? So I'm gonna keep these since I only have one pair, and they do have the fraying on the bottom, but other than that, they're just a basic pair of denim shorts, and I think they're maybe the rise is about 3 inches or so. So yeah, and the top, ooh, I'm already getting a little bit warm in the top, so I would not call this especially good for a summer top if it's somewhere hot. So this just is not something that I would want to keep. Although it is kind of cute, beyond the fact that it is a heavier weight, and that's something that I really specified in my profile. It's a heavier weight top, and it is also damaged. So okay, so here is another top that she sent. It is sort of a more satiny material. Let's get the name, what it is called. This is the Current Air Floral Jacquard sleeveless top, blue. This is not something that I'm going to keep. It's just not really me. I've asked for things that were not high in the neck. I don't consider them especially flattering. Also, just I'm not sure exactly, I'm sure it's some sort of poly blend, but also just not something breathable, not something that's going to be an especially cool fabric, and I just can't imagine wearing this as a summer top, really. Maybe for an office, but it's just not me. So, and I just don't really love the cut of it, and unfortunately it's very similar cut on the next top, so we'll try that on too. Okay, so at least the fabric on this one seems a little bit more breathable, but it's not really my style. It's very boho. It's more of a casual summer top for sure. It is coming across very beige, but it is a very pale blush pink, I would say. For someone, I would say this is cute. It's not a cut that I particularly love though. So it is what it is there. Okay, so here's one that I really kind of wanted to like, but just too much sleeve. I mean, it does have bare shoulders, but again, 3/4 length sleeve, summertime in a hot climate. It's just not working for me. It's probably cute for someone, maybe someone who doesn't live as hot a climate. I can see it being something fun to wear for travel or on the beach, maybe. It's something that I'm gonna maybe consider, but just as everyday wear, it's not something that I would do. It's cute. It's definitely cute. When I saw it, I was thinking, well, that is cute. So I did leave it in the box. I actually was traveling when the preview came, and I started to take some things out of the box, but I got distracted, and so everything in here is just as my box came. I didn't remove or modify anything in this box, so it is exactly as she initially sent it. I thought I would have more time, and it just seemed like it was like that I started to do the modifications, and then I got distracted, and then it all of a sudden got shit. So I'm not sure what happened there, but got a couple more items. So okay, so this is a wrap dress. It is an actual wrap dress, not a faux wrap dress. I didn't take much time with it, didn't do any real zhuzhing or anything. Here is the pattern. Here's a close-up of it. It's got a nice lavender with purple and some yellows in there, a little coral and pink. I am not tall, and it comes below, I can't even get up high enough, comes below my knees. Let's see if I can, I'm hooked in, have the light, so I can't even really get it. Can't get it. Let's see if I can turn towards the mirror and get it. So that is how far down it comes. It's calf length on me. It is a longer dress on someone short. And I don't know about this. I think the pattern is cute, but it's not really me. I'm not huge into patterns like this. The cut is okay. The length, I prefer something shorter, definitely above the knee. And the fabric, again, I'd have to look. I'm going to guess that this is, what is the name of that fabric? I'm having trouble remembering what I think I know what it is, but I'm having trouble. It's definitely a blend. I don't think it's the polyester blend, but it'll come to me. Anyway, I don't think it would be super duper comfortable for summertime wear. It feels nice enough, but I'm not in love with the print. So I think it would look a lot better on someone with a darker skin tone and darker hair, to be honest. I think it would look really pretty. So this one I was actually a little more excited for. It is a romper, it has pockets, and it's red. So I think it's pretty adorable. I'm loving that it has pockets. It's a V-neck, which is something that I've specifically asked for. It is a good summer weight. I really like it. It has the V in the back, and it doesn't go down so far, but it's showing bra strap from what I can tell. I think it's really cute. I don't know, what does everybody think? I really think it is cute. And something like this, it's, for me, it seems like this is sort of a unicorn, something hard to find. Usually the cuts are weird. It has some strange feature where you can't wear a bra with it, or it doesn't have pockets, or just there's something strange about it. So I am really liking this one, and I'm a little shocked. I really am. I think it's cute, or the pattern. It's got a strange pattern a lot of times. I like this. I think this is a really adorable outfit for travel, thrown in and packing and bringing along. I can see wearing this on a cruise, or, you know, taking to just go out for a nice dinner, just walk on the beach afterwards, or going out, if you're going out for drinks somewhere where you have to sit up on a high bar stool. I think this is really cute. You could wear it with sandals or even flip-flops, heels. I think this is super duper cute, and I think this might be a keeper. So I think my choices are probably going to be the black cut from the cloth shorts, and this. I think I forgot to read the last couple things. So the pink shirt was, where's the pink shirt? It was okay, ruffle sleeve blouse, color light pink. That's all it says for that. And then the off the shoulder top was current air, no, that's wrong. Off the shoulder smock top, black. And then this is a sleeveless shoulder ruching romper, red. Okay, so I'm going to go through and do the prices. The cut from the cloth black shorts were $85. That is higher than you would normally buy them at Nordstrom. I usually buy them on sale, so I'm going to be using my credits towards these things. It's each month it's a $40 silent credit, and then I have some carryover, so I'm going to be using that. The ruffle sleeve blouse, the pink one, $68. The current air puff sleeve knit top, the taupe one, the one that had the little pick in it, $85. The floral jacquard sleeveless top, the blue one, $85. Short sleeve printed wrap dress, $85. Off the shoulder smock top, $85, and then the romper, $68. So I would say this is a pretty good deal. So you also get discounts if you buy more than one item. Let me just double check what that is. Oh yes, it says 50% off one item when you keep 3, which I don't think there are really 3 items that I want. And then 50% off 2 items when you keep 5. So that is what we have there. So anyway, I know it has been a long time since I posted one of these. Thank you so much for watching. I will, if anybody was interested in this, I will see about maybe posting another one. And if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and comment. So take care, and thank you so much for watching.